Red cabbage is not just cabbage with attitude. It is chemistry you can eat. At first glance, red cabbage looks familiar. Round, dense, layered like green cabbage. But the color changes everything. That deep purple-red hue signals a completely different internal story, one tied to pigments, antioxidants, and environmental interaction. Botanically, red cabbage is Brassica oleracea, the same species as green cabbage, kale, broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts. The difference is not structural. It is chemical. Red cabbage contains high levels of anthocyanins, water-soluble pigments responsible for red, purple, and blue colors in plants. These pigments are not decorative. They are protective. In nature, anthocyanins protect plants from UV radiation, pests, and environmental stress. When humans eat them, those same compounds act as antioxidants. Red cabbage likely originated in the Mediterranean region, like other cabbages. Over time, selective cultivation favored plants with deeper coloration. Northern and Eastern Europe embraced red cabbage especially, where cold climates intensified pigment production. Historically, red cabbage was both food and indicator. Because anthocyanins change color based on pH, red cabbage juice was used as a natural pH indicator long before modern chemistry. Acidic environments turn it red. Alkaline ones shift it blue or green. This alone makes red cabbage unique among vegetables. It reacts. It responds. Flavor-wise, red cabbage is slightly peppery and earthier than green cabbage. Raw, it is crisp, juicy, and mildly bitter. Cooked, it softens dramatically, becoming sweet and aromatic, especially when paired with acidic ingredients. Texture is central to its identity. Raw red cabbage snaps cleanly when sliced thin. It holds crunch longer than lettuce, making it ideal for slaws and salads. When cooked slowly, it breaks down into silky strands that still retain shape. Culinarily, red cabbage is versatile across cultures. In Central and Eastern Europe, it is braised with apples, vinegar, sugar, and spices. In German cuisine, it becomes a deep purple side dish served with meats. In Scandinavian countries, it balances rich foods with acidity. In modern kitchens, red cabbage appears raw in salads, fermented as sauerkraut, roasted as wedges, or shredded into tacos and wraps. It absorbs flavor aggressively while maintaining structural integrity. Acidity unlocks its brilliance. Vinegar, citrus, wine, or fermented elements intensify its color and sweetness. Without acid, cooked red cabbage can dull and lose vibrancy. This is not a flaw. It is a cue. Nutritionally, red cabbage outperforms green cabbage. It contains significantly higher antioxidant levels due to anthocyanins. These compounds are linked to reduced inflammation, improved cardiovascular health, and cellular protection. Red cabbage is rich in vitamin C, vitamin K, vitamin A precursors, and dietary fiber. Vitamin K supports bone health and blood clotting. Vitamin C boosts immune function. Fiber supports digestion and gut health. It is also low in calories and high in volume, making it ideal for nutrient-dense diets. You eat more, gain less, benefit more. From a health perspective, red cabbage has been studied for its potential role in reducing oxidative stress. While it is not medicine, it contributes meaningfully to long-term dietary quality. Agriculturally, red cabbage is resilient. It thrives in cooler climates and tolerates frost better than many vegetables. Cold exposure actually deepens its color by increasing anthocyanin concentration. It grows as a compact head, making it efficient to harvest and store. Stored properly, it lasts for months. This durability made it historically valuable before refrigeration. Visually, red cabbage is dramatic. Deep purple outer leaves fade into magenta and white near the core. When sliced, the concentric layers form hypnotic patterns. Few vegetables are this photogenic. This visual power translates to plating. A small amount of red cabbage can dominate a dish visually, making meals look richer and more intentional. Fermentation elevates red cabbage further. When fermented, it becomes probiotic-rich, tangy, and even more digestible. Red cabbage sauerkraut retains color better than green and offers a more complex flavor profile. The biggest mistake with red cabbage is overcooking without acid. Heat alone dulls both flavor and color. Proper cooking respects chemistry. Another mistake is ignoring it raw. Thinly sliced red cabbage with salt and thyme becomes tender, sweet, and vibrant without heat. Red cabbage is not background food. It is signal food. It signals freshness. It signals nutrition. It signals intention. It connects cooking to chemistry, tradition to science, color to health. Red cabbage is proof that vegetables can be intellectual, functional, and beautiful at the same time.